Hey everybody, Pappy here. Forgot to tell anybody that's interested here about the blizzard there. This storm right now, currently, is not measured in inches here. It's measured in feet. They're predicting we're going to have over 2 feet of snow, not inches. So it's not a dusting. It's not 6 inches, 8 inches, 12, 13, 14. It's measured in feet here. So they said it's going to be historic. I remember years ago, back in the 60s, 70s, I think at one time we had the most was 28 inches of snow. Um, this one's going to be close. Okay, everybody. Just wanted to tell you that. You guys have a beautiful day. I love you. Me and Mrs. Pappy. Bye-bye. God bless.